What's up everybody, welcome to the video. My name is Keith. Today's video, we're going to look at this AMS and how to load some filament on it. Super simple, super easy, but we're going to show you anyway. So as you can see here, we have the AMS. What you need to do is lift up the lid. Obviously, it's a bit obvious the first part, but that's it. So you need to get your filament, and as you can see here, this filament needs to go in with the filament coming from the top rather than from the bottom like this. Because if you put it in the bottom to feed it in, it's like a bit of a nightmare to do it. So you need to make sure the filament comes over the top to go in. And then all you need to do is put the filament there. And see if I can do this one-handed. You push on this little grey. I can't do it with one hand, so you need two. So you just push on the little button there, and that'll feed it in. So as you can see, that is fed into the AMS, and it's just pulling it in and out just to get a feel of it. So there we go, that's loading in and unloading again. And there we go, and that's how you do it. So then what you need to do once the colour is added, you need to go into your devices. So we've got the P1S there in pinky. Now you need to go into the AMS here, and you can see you can amend the colours. So this here, you can change the colours. So this is champagne silk. Because this is a bamboo one, this has automatically got it, but you can go into different ones and change the colours on there. So again, like this red one, I can just load it in. So you just push that in. Managed to do it with one hand that time. And then that'll load it up. So that's just going through and pulling that colour in. Then again, you go on the Bambu app. So if I just refresh that. So there, AMS3, showing up as a question mark. So you click on the little pencil icon, you go edit filament, pick the colour you want, so in this case red, and it's just a generic PLA. There we go, and then click save. And what that'll do, that'll update your AMS details. So just refresh it there, and there we go. Then that is loaded up, so you know in number 3 that is your red. So when you're printing files, you can select what colours you want. Hopefully that helped. If it did, let me know in the comments below. If you're still a little bit unsure about certain things, let me know as well, and I can do a separate video or answer that in a question as well. But yeah, that's basically it. Hope you enjoyed it. And there's some more videos on screen if you want to check them out. But until next time, see ya.